right. Today we need to get a fully complete Corvette V8 out of up there. While we have all the small blocks, big blocks, everything out, we're gonna look at this motor and see if we can save it. It's been put up there probably for 50 years. So my job is to get up there and take all of the boards and tarp off the door so we can get in there. We put them up because there was some hurricane or something coming through that really didn't turn out to be anything. But you don't want it to go through the cracks in the door and ruin everything up there, so I gotta find a ladder. Oh man, I'm over 4 feet. No harness. Ocean's gonna be ticked. Whoa. Almost. Oh yeah, I'll go up there and look. Yep. Hey. Parts storage. Alright, what do we got? Ooh. Got a lot of mice. Bike parts. Oh. Some other BBS equipment. Sweet. This might be quite the project. Can-Am stuff.
Uh-huh.
Can-Am stuff.
Yeah, everything's laid.
Yep. Yeah, but you need a chain. So unfortunately, the mice did get in it, so it's probably junk. So that sucks, but we gotta at least get it out of here anyway. Well, here, hold on. Yeah. Oh. Oh, there's oil in it. And it dumped out. Yep, and now it's all over the floor.
How did it come out?
I don't know. Well, it's too late. I don't know what to do with it.
How did it dump out?
I don't know.
Box of rags.
motor. That's exciting. We got to see if we can save the lifter bores. But everything else looks really good. Pistons look good. The crank looks good. So hopefully we can kind of save this really neat motor and put it back together, put it in the hot rod.